guys, welcome back. So this is a new video as per your request.
And today we are going to talk about all the strict
Rules that
in
you must know if you are planning to come
to
Saviors.
Xavier's.
So yeah, these are the very basic rules
and very important rules that
Yeah.
you must follow.
exactly
You can get in trouble if you don't follow all of these rules.
exactly. So yeah,
So let's discuss one by one. So we will list out all the rules that you should follow. We are seniors, so we knew.
basically, I from physics department, says from
BCom department.
and we are sixth semester students, so basically it's our final year, so you can trust on us. We will give you very informative informations.
Yes.
And yeah, so now I think we should start.
Yes, and also let us know if you want anything more about Xavier's to know, like admission process or anything. We
Anything
will post all the
regarding-
videos, okay?
Anything regarding
Just
hostels, mess, college, admission process, whatever you want to know, you
scholarship
just
and
let us know in
anything,
comment
just let us
section.
know.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so let's start with the first rule.
Yeah.
So the first rule is the very basic and very important rule. It's the ID card rule. Just name it, ID card rule. So yeah, if you will be able to get admission in Xavier's, if you'll score good marks in your interest, and suppose you got a chance to get admission in Xavier's, so yeah, the ID card, you must have to carry your ID card with yourself every day. If you will even you will forget for a single day, they will not even recognize you. Who are you? It doesn't matter, we are final year student. If we will forget to bring our ID card even a single day, they don't even allow us to enter. So it's a very mandatory that you make sure that you are bringing your ID card with yourself. And one more thing that I want to add on is that never ever give your ID card to someone who is close to you. Even he is very close to your friend, even he is a student of your class, never give your ID card, because there could be a chance when they decided to check your ID card. Even I have seen multiple times they they read the name of the student, ask your father's name, and they'll ask you what's your roll number, all that stuff. So even if you will they will ever recognize that you are doing kind of a fraud, they'll be like a very, I can't say but they will take a very strict actions regarding you. So these are the basic things that you must keep in your mind regarding ID card.
Okay, so now we will talk about the second rule, and the second rule is your attendance. It's extremely important to have 75% attendance, because if you want to go next semester, you have to fulfill the 75% attendance criteria. If you don't do it, you're not going to next semester. So make sure to have 75% attendance, and if you have any medical issue also, be prepared with the application beforehand. Okay, you can give the application to your friend, get it signed, and submit it to the professors particularly, okay, because it's extremely important. Otherwise they will not give you attendance. They will say that you have to submit the application, the copy of application, to each and every professor if you want attendance, and 75% is extremely important. Otherwise you can get in trouble. After that, if you go to the principal, ask for 75% attendance, they will not give you. They will just be like, they will make you run here and there,
and eventually you will have your exam and you will feel very exhausted. Oh my
Yes.
god, what to do, what not.
And all of this you will get at the last time, okay, before the exam, like 10
Yeah,
to
just
15
one-
days before the exam.
Exactly.
So how you're going to do everything? You have to prepare, you have to give the exam, and also you have to go through so many process just to get an attendance requirement fulfilled. So
and
it's very,
these
very,
procedures
very
won't
difficult.
make sure that you will get a chance to give exam.
Yeah, and they will also make things very hard for you, because we have seen our friends, so lot of peoples, that they face so much problem because of the attendance criteria. And I'm telling this specifically to boys, because they sometimes don't maintain it.
Yeah, they take it very
like lightly. That's
It's
okay,
Xavier's.
but
Nothing
it
serious will happen.
it will get you in trouble when you will go to semester 5, semester 6. You can get your semester delayed, or your result will get delayed. So you will have so much problem. So make sure of 75% attendance.
Exactly,
It's
this
extremely
is
important.
absolutely right. It's
It's
basic
extremely
thing.
important thing.
Yes, and yeah, the other thing that is hitting my mind is that I want to inform you all that so there is no, it's not that important, but it's like informative. So there is no as such rule in our college like a ragging and all that. No one will the campus is very like a friendly. The environment of campus is very like a friendly. You like your seniors, just the way you like us.
Yes, you can go talk to your seniors.
Yeah, exactly. Seniors will help you all the possible way. Even if you suppose if you are not getting what to do next, you can randomly approach your seniors. They will help you in all the possible ways, as if we are delivering here. And another thing that I want to make sure, there are lots of clubs that exist in our college. We are also member of a club.
Yeah, we very famous club that we are member
NSS.
of, but NSS it's one of the number one club in
And you
Xavier's.
yeah, please make sure, please let us know if you want to know more about the clubs that exist in our college,
And
like
how you
NSS,
can
NCC,
participate.
and how you can get the admission and enrollment process. We will let you know about everything. But before that, let's back to the topic we're discussing. So the thing is that there are lots of clubs that exist in our college that you must know and you must participate, because eventually they will enhance your personality. They
Yes.
will give you a proper chance
They will give you a platform where you can represent all of your
Yourself.
qualities, your talent, and make sure to participate in each and every
extracurricular activity.
Yeah, it's extremely important.
Yeah, must try. I understand that study is important. We
But all of these things are also very important, and
Exactly.
it does makes you very
one more
confident.
thing. Yeah, you know what, the NSS group. Even if you are want to give a UPSC
Interview.
exam,
Yeah.
or any other state exams, government job exam, NSS.
It
If you are
has
the member
marks.
of NSS, they will grant you 5 marks, and you know
Think
what is the
about
weightage of 5
5
marks in
marks.
UPSC exam. So this
Yeah.
is the truth. So you need to be very attentive. You
Yes.
should know that what are the things that are going in your college. And अभी बहुत normal, I mean अभी बहुत
normal चल रहा है, but at the time you will get into the college, you have to get all the information by yourself. You have
All
to
I want to say
know-
that अभी सिर्फ कुछ ही क्लब्स है जो काफी पॉपुलर है, बट टाइम के साथ चीजें बदलती
सारे
हैं, तो
popular हो
बहुत
जाएंगे।
सारे क्लब्स आएंगे, तो आपको वहाँ पे केयरफुल होना पड़ेगा कि कौन कौन सा मेरे लिए फ्रूटफुल, और मुझे कहाँ
कौन
पे
से में
कौन सा
जाना है।
मेरे लिए बेटर है, मेरे पर्सनालिटी को।
वैसे तो सारे क्लब्स बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, तो
Exactly.
यू कैन जस्ट चूज एनी वन, बट आपको अगर चूज करना है तो, बट एनएसएस में बहुत सारे क्राइटेरिया होते हैं, आपको वहाँ पे
Yeah,
इंटरव्यू
they-
देना पड़ेगा, आपका सिलेक्शन होगा कि नहीं, एंड सबसे पहली
Selection
बात
criteria,
कि
please let us
form-
know for these
हाँ,
information.
अब फॉर्म वगैरह कब आता है वो सब आपको खुद ही पता करना पड़ेगा. इट्स नॉट एनीबडी इज गोइंग टू आपको कोई कॉलेज में आके क्लास में आके बता रहा है कि हाँ फॉर्म आ रहा है तो आप आके पार्टिसिपेट. इट्स नथिंग राइट, नथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी
For
लाइक
all that, if you want to know the club related
खुद करना
information, let
पड़ेगा.
us know. We will make video for sure.
Yeah, we will make all, means we will discuss all the clubs so you can easily decide which one you want to choose. Okay.
Exactly.
Now if you talk about
The third rule. Let's back to the third rule.
it's the fourth rule.
Okay, sorry.
It's okay.
Don't mind. We're not gonna cut this.
Yeah, we're quite cool. But let's talk about the fourth rule. So if you have vehicle, if you want to come to the college, if you have vehicle like a bike or anything, so you have to make a pass. Okay, so that you can make with the help of guards. They will help you with how you can make the pass. So it's very important. If you don't have pass, you can't park your car, bikes in college. So it's very important to have that vehicle pass. Make sure to get it before you come to the, after you come to the college, you have to make that pass.
Yeah, exactly. And one more thing is that you need to be very
Very responsible and very obedient student. Okay, see, people in college try to be cool, like okay, so if you don't get it, it's fine. You can't misbehave with the teachers. It's extremely important.
Exactly, this is
because
what I
if
wanted-
you ever misbehave with the teacher, you won't realize at that time
and
that
even you
it
can't
does
be
affect.
rude at the same time. Nothing like.
You will be like, oh yeah, I'm getting cool. In my class, people are laughing, so I'm becoming
No,
cool.
you
But
can
no,
never. Please, this
don't
is
do this.
Never do this
Because it won't affect you at that time, but while the time will pass, when you will go to semester 5 or 6, you have to do big projects. Okay, so in that project
and
you need
you know what,
professors'
if
help.
any professor will approach just because of your misbehavior to the principal, that principal will immediately suspend you.
Yeah, they will immediately suspend you.
So never think it is as of your just like your school. It's a very,
yeah, and
I think
professor in JVS are very good. They are very friendly.
they are very friendly. They will
are
make you feel very good.
It's just you have to be in proper manner.
Yeah,
That's what
exactly.
matters.
You can't even be rude with them.
Yeah, if you want to pass college
You should be
nicely,
like,
you have to respect teachers.
yeah,
That's
you should be
extremely
like
important.
properly well mannered, well behaved. You can't be very rude, and it's
You
just
don't
that-
be rude with teachers. It's a basic thing. If you be rude, they have 1000 ways to
It's just the professional
you
relationship
down.
that you need to establish. They
Yeah.
will help you.
and they
For
will
sure.
help you with lot of things. Let me tell you, with lot of each and everything. Like if you have like attendance problem also, but you have a good relationship with the professor, eventually they will help you, and
They
they,
will
are the only
understand
one
you
who
as
will
an
help
individual, that
Yeah.
you this is the
If you-
serious thing you are suffering from. So they will personally help you.
you. Yes.
But it's up to you that how you are carrying your relationship with your
with the
professors.
professors, it's extremely important. So don't be
Exactly.
rude and anything. Okay, like that.
Now
I
let's-
think these are the basic rules.
Now
na?
let's back to the fifth rule that I want to tell, and this one going to be the last one. We want to keep it very short and simple.
Yeah.
So the last rule is that you need to be very attentive. Like all the informations, जो भी सारे informations होते हैं वो portal पे update होते रहते हैं time to time. तो you need to be sincere and active कि आप वो सारे updates को check करो, क्योंकि जितने minor के courses होंगे आपको choose सारा portal पे करना पड़ेगा. आपको admission जितने सारे related, जितने सारे करिकुलर रिलेटेड चीजें होते हैं वो सारे पोर्टल पे ही आते हैं.
So you have to be very attentive towards it.
सो कौन सा माइनर लेना है, उनमें से कौन सा चूज करना है, वो भी आप पोर्टल से करोगे. एवरी चॉइसेस आपको पोर्टल पे प्रोवाइड करवाए जाएंगे सारे इन्फॉर्मेशन. सो यू नीड टू बी अटेंटिव.
हाँ, आपको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन बताना चाहिए. एक्टिव मेंबर होना है आपको
एग्जैक्टली.
कॉलेज में. ये बहुत
एंड जब आप
इम्पोर्टेंट है.
स्टार्टिंग में आओगे तो कहाँ मेरा क्लास कौन सा, बाद में ग्रुप्स बनते हैं, आई डू एग्री. बट
But शुरू-शुरू में
जब
नहीं
तक
बनते
सीनियर्स के इलेक्शन नहीं होते हैं तब तक आपको खुद अटेंटिव होना पड़ेगा कि मेरा कौन से रूम नंबर में कौन सा क्लास अभी हो रहा है, कौन से प्रोफेसर लेने वाले. एंड मेक श्योर आप टाइम से पहले आ जाओ, क्योंकि अगर आप टाइम से
if
लेट
you are
आए
2 minutes late also,
Even
you
4 minutes,
won't be allowed to enter.
they will not grant you
They will just say
attendance.
get out. That's what they say.
This is what happens, and we have faced.
Yeah,
And
everybody.
we are facing, we are still facing, like you know what, आपको पता नहीं हम कैसे दौड़ के जाते हैं जल्दी जल्दी. एंड इवन अगर हम 5 मिनट लेते तो गेट बंद हो जाता है, फिर हम नीचे बैठ के वेट करते हैं कि ओह नाउ
Next class we have to
45
go.
after 45 minutes I'll be able to get into the next class.
So yeah, you have to be in time. मतलब ठीक है.
टाइम पे होना.
We try to be time.
We don't want कि आप डर जाओ
हाँ,
या
इतना
पैनिक कर
strict rules
जाओ.
नहीं है. I think अगर आप दूसरे कॉलेजेस या यूनिवर्सिटीज को
If
देखो,
you are serious
ज्यादा
student,
rules है. It's
yeah,
not
exactly. If you are serious student, you want
अच्छे
to
स्टूडेंट हो तो
तुम्हें पढ़ना है, तुम पढ़ना चाहते हो, you want to be attended, please take admission. It's not that strict, but these are the basic things that we little bit exaggerated.
और
Not
अगर
really.
आपको अटेंडेंस मतलब एडमिशन के बारे में जानना है कि हाउ यू कैन टेक एडमिशन, कितना आपका
And
परसेंटेज
our
होना चाहिए,
feedback कि हमारा एक्सपीरियंस क्या
कैसा था,
रहा,
हमने कैसे एडमिशन लिया,
हम कैसे
तो
सेमेस्टर
आप-
पास कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि
ये भी जरूरी है हम कैसे सेमेस्टर पास कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि इवेंचुअली हर कोई कॉलेज में
पास
क्या
नहीं
करता
करना
है
है.
वो पता ही है.
वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू टेल दैट कॉलेज में बहुत सारे लाइब्रेरीज हैं, तो वहाँ पे आपको बहुत अच्छी फैसिलिटी मिलेगी कि
हाँ,
अगर बुक्स
अच्छी facilities
यूपीएससी
है
के
library में.
बुक्स अदर गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम के प्रिपरेशन के बुक आपको प्रोवाइड करवाई जाएगा. आप वहाँ पे आराम से पढ़ सकते
लाइब्रेरी
हो.
को बहुत अच्छे से यूज कीजिए, क्योंकि वो
Exactly.
बहुत ही अच्छी चीज है. मतलब
मस्त AC
स्टूडेंट्स
लगा हुआ है.
जनरली यूज नहीं करते हैं, दे आर लाइक कि नहीं हमें लाइब्रेरी, बट ट्राई टू गो. लाइब्रेरी में हर किताब मिलता है, आपको ना
The
खरीदना भी नहीं पड़ेगा.
newspaper, everything. They provide very good facilities. I
हाँ.
think if you're a good student, you will like it.
हाँ, आपको लाइक यू विल लाइक इट एज वेल एज आप लोग एक्सप्लोर करोगे कि हाँ नई बुक्स मिल रहे हैं, तो आपके पैसे भी
Yes,
बचेंगे. सो
exactly.
इकोनॉमिकल फ्रेंडली भी है.
Yeah. So yeah.
आई थिंक दिस
These are the basic
मतलब
rules.
नॉर्मल रूल्स है. ओके, सो डोंट टेक इट्स वेरी सीरियसली कि नहीं हम लोग जाएंगे तो कैसे रहेंगे. इट्स वेरी बेसिक. यू विल नॉट रियलाइज कि कैसे हो रहा है क्या हो रहा है, बट अगर आप अच्छे स्टूडेंट हो तो आप बहुत ही अच्छे से सब चीज करोगे.
You will
और
like
बहुत सारे
it.
चीज आप सीख
बहुत
जाओगे.
extra
कॉलेज
curricular-
बहुत अच्छा है. मीन्स पीपल हैव डिफरेंट फीडबैक.
अगर आप झारखंड से
हम पढ़े
बाहर
हैं तो-
नहीं जा सकते हो,
हाँ,
आपको
तो आपका
झारखंड
बेस्ट
नहीं,
ऑप्शन है ये.
तब आपके लिए बहुत बेस्ट है.
Best
We will
option है.
suggest you should go with Xavier's. If you want to know how we can take the admission, let us know. We will make video.
Yes, we will make the video.
And
so
many
we
of
can
you
know.
many of you people ask that why we are not regular. So basically we are so much engaged
Student,
with,
yeah.
like college is very hectic. I'm
Yeah,
telling
it's
you.
very hectic. So make
It
sure.
takes our lots of time, and there are so many things that we are working together, like so that's why we don't get enough time to
enough
make
time
videos.
to make, but we will try our best to make videos. आप लोग बस कमेंट कर दिया करो कि आपको किस पे चीज
Yeah,
चाहिए.
exactly. Whatever
हम
you
लोग-
like about the
whenever we
video,
get
whatever you
time.
do, whatever you don't like, just tell us.
Just comment.
Yes,
Okay,
exactly.
we are
Comment.
we are your friend. We are here to help you.
Yeah. Bye
Bye.
bye. Take
Do
care.
subscribe, like and comment. Make sure आपको जो भी प्रॉब्लम हो उसे आप
Make
कमेंट
sure आप
करें.
हमारे एफर्ट्स को बर्बाद नहीं जाने दोगे, क्योंकि हमने बहुत मेहनत से
हाँ,
टाइम निकाला है.
तो आपको लाइक करना है, ठीक है? लाइक
Exactly.
करना है,
It's
सब्सक्राइब
mandatory.
करना है और शेयर भी कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, क्योंकि जो लोग एडमिशन लेना चाहते हैं उनके लिए ये बहुत
Yeah,
हेल्पफुल
please,
हो सकता है.
please,
और हम
please
लोग
do share
और
with
भी
your
वीडियोस
friends.
बनाएंगे तो उन्हें भी लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.
Stay
हमारी
tuned for more
सब्सक्राइब बढ़ेगी
videos.
तब ना हम लोग और वीडियोस बनाएंगे.
Exactly. Bye
Bye.
bye.